CMC. We're going to be working on this truck, pretty much tearing it down, getting it ready for primer. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to tear down the fenders, the top end of the fenders and the doors. We're going to remove them because as you can see on the side of the fender over here, it had some damage on the lower part of the rocker and the door's been damaged underneath. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get this door all lined up, gas and shipped, and we're going to get a new rocker underneath it. The rest of the truck has been pretty much original U.S. Forest Service green. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this truck, tear it down, put it back together, get it ready for primer and paint. So we're going to leave this like a smooth gray or medium gray color once it's all done. But this truck's going to have black wheels and a medium gray primer. It's pretty much be ready to rock on the streets. We're going to go through the motor and the interior as well. So look out for future update videos and check us out on YouTube. This is for all CEO Customs in the city of Fontana.